No, that baby talk. Are you gonna keep talking that baby talk? You go. What did you do today? No way. And what else happened? And what else? And how big was it? What? And where was it at? And but how big was it? You tired? Wait, are you talking that baby talk again? Are you gonna talk that baby talk? Are you gonna walk? Can you walk towards mommy? Hey, I said walk towards mommy right now. Come here. Oh! Was that a big fall? Really? And what else? But what happened? I don't understand. You're speaking monkey. I can't understand monkey talk.